intermediate class, as well as you have got a differential calculus course. You are doing that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So what is the derivative? Who can say? There is a beautiful similarity between the ordinary differentiation and the differentiation of the vectors, right? So let us start. Let us start the class. How many persons have joined? 42. Others will be absent.
স্যার আগের ক্লাসটা লেট করে শেষ হয়েছিল স্যার।
This is vector differentiation. Now the ordinary. Do you see the board? Let Ru be a vector depending. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
On a single scalar value u. Then delta r by delta u is equal to like this, r u plus delta u minus r u divided by delta u. Okay, where delta denotes an increment in u. Delta u denotes an increment in u. Have you understood up to this? This is the ratio, or this is the fraction delta r. Delta r is the small increment of delta, the vector r, and u is the small increment of u. If we show it in the figure like this, you will understand. I am drawing a figure. Let us draw a figure here. This is a vector Ru, and this is another vector. This is a vector Ru, and this is a vector R u plus delta u. So this will be the increment delta r. This part, this is increment delta r is equal to r u plus delta u minus r of u. Okay. This is Ru, this vector, and for a small increment in u plus delta u. So this is this function. For small increment in u, the new function is coming r of u plus delta u, and the increment of vector delta r, this part, this is Ru plus delta u minus Ru. That means if you deduct from this vector to this vector, you will get this, because this is the resultant vector. Okay, this is delta r. So the derivative will be what? If we take the limit of this, that time it will be the derivative, isn't it? Du dr du. Therefore, the derivative Are you getting? Derivative is this, the limit. If you take the limit of this, that time it will indicate the derivative. Then
স্যার অর্ডিনারি ডেরিভেটিভ বলতে কি বোঝায় স্যার?
ordinary that means the derivative which is very ordinary, which is not partial or which is not other things. We know there are two types of derivative. One is ordinary, that means it has got single variable. Understood? The derivative which is dependent on single variable, that is ordinary derivative. And the derivative which depends on more than one variable, that is partial derivative. Okay, clear?
ইয়েস স্যার।
Then ordinary derivative of the vector. These are very simple thing. I am just showing it to you so that you can understand better. Of the vector, and these are thing also written in the book, you will understand, but you must write. That time it will be
স্যার
concept will
বোর্ডটা
be more
পুরোটা
clear.
দেখা যাচ্ছে না স্যার।
Huh? Or should I? Do you see now? Is it visible?
স্যার উপরে একটু কাটা পড়ছে স্যার।
Now?
স্যার ঠিক আছে স্যার।
Okay. Are you with respect to you is given by like this. The ordinary derivative of the vector r will be dr du, and these we indicate like this. The limit delta u tends to 0, delta r by delta u is equal to limit delta u tends to 0, r u plus delta u minus r of u divided by delta u. This is called the derivative from the first principle. You have understood, or you have learned it in intermediate as well as in your calculus courses, isn't it?
Yes,
We
sir.
understand dr du
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to limit delta u tends to 0. The limit of this ratio, that means this division delta r by delta u, this is called the dr du. And this thing, if we replace the value of delta r and delta u, it will be like this. These are the ordinary derivative of vector r. This is the ordinary formula. Okay, it is also written in the book, you can see it. Can I rub it? Okay, now
Yes, sir.
space curve. I am writing another thing, another definition. Space curve. If in particular vector ru is the position vector small ru joining the origin O of a coordinate system and any point x, y, z. Are you writing?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X, y, z, then Ru is equal to xu I, where I is the unit vector, yu j zu k. Okay, this is called the space curve. Now there are few formulas for the ordinary vector which we will require here. Formulas, suppose d du of a plus b is equal to dA du plus dB du. Okay. Number 2, ddu of a dot b is equal to vector a dot dA du plus this is dB plus dA du dot vector b. Number 3, you must remember this thing. Okay, it will be required in solving the problem. So derivative of a cross b is a cross dv du plus dA du cross b. ddu of phi a, phi vector a is equal to phi dA du plus d phi du vector a. So this is not dot, this is a scalar, isn't it? So scalar multiplied by the vector. So this is not dot, but this is dot. A is a vector, B is a vector. Two vectors can be written with dot product, and the scalar with a vector, it doesn't require any dot symbol. Okay. So do not confuse this thing. Another thing is ddu of a dot b cross c. A dot b cross c is equal to a dot b cross dc du plus a dot dv du cross c plus du dA du dot b cross c. You have to remember all this. Okay, and this is 5, and number 6 is another, that is ddu of a cross b cross c. Are you getting and writing?
Yes, sir. Writing, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
a cross b cross dc du plus a cross dB du cross C plus dA du cross B cross C. So these are the formula you must remember. Clear? Do not forget all these formulas, and let us go to solve one or two problems today. You see number 3, number 2, page number 39. Number 2, there is a solved
Last line
problem.
মুছেন না স্যার,
Okay.
6 নাম্বার মুছেন না।
Okay. Number 2. This is the problem number 2. Given we are
স্যার এখানে
given
ফাইটা কি একটা ভেক্টর?
5, number 5.
স্যার ওই যে 4 নম্বরে ফাইটা কি একটা ভেক্টর?
No, phi is a scalar. Okay. Phi is a scalar. This
Okay,
is the multiplied by the scalar vector A. Do not confuse with a vector. That is why you have not given any dot sign. Given
Okay,
R is equal to, I am solving another problem. Okay. R is equal to sin t I. This is a vector plus cos t j plus tk. So find A dr dt, B d square R dt, then the magnitude of dr dt. Magnitude of d square R dt square, right? So how to find out this? Have you written all this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Now these are the questions. We are given R is equal to sin t I plus cos t j plus tk. This is the problem. This is the vector. So we have to find out the ordinary derivative of R dr dt, then d square R dt, then find out the magnitude of both of these two. So how to solve? These are very simple and very easy. You see here, R is equal to sin t I cos t j plus e k. So therefore differentiating with respect to t, differentiating vector R with respect to t, we get what we get? Dr dt. Dr dt is equal to, will be what? D dt of sin t I plus d dt of cos t j plus d dt of t into k. So what is this? What is d dt of sin t is what? Who can say?
cos t.
D dt of sin t is what? If you differentiate sin, cos ti, okay, right. This is cos t I, and this will be what? Minus
sin tj.
Minus sin t j, and that will be what? Only
Only K.
only K. Good. Okay, so this we have got give a name, equation number 1. So we have got dr dt. We have to find out, so these are dr dt. Then we have to find out d square r dt square. Again, differentiating again. What we get? Differentiating equation 1 with respect to t. Again, we get, what we get? D square r dt square, isn't it? So this will be what? If we differentiate cos t, it will be minus sin t I, and it will be minus cos tj, and this will be what? If you differentiate
0.
0, because there is a 1, and if you differentiate there is a 1 multiplied with the vector k, so it will be constant, and this will be 0. Okay, now the magnitude,
Sir,
therefore the
Sir,
magnitude will
লাস্টের লাইনগুলো দেখা যাচ্ছে না স্যার, একটু কাইন্ডলি
হ্যাঁ?
ক্যামেরাটা ব্যাক করে দিন। নিচের লাইনগুলো দেখা যাচ্ছে
now you see, do you see now?
Right, sir. Sir, yes, sir.
Huh? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
So this is equation 2. Therefore the magnitude, therefore magnitude of dr dt is what? Therefore the magnitude of dr dt is equal to what? How to find out the magnitude? Can you remember? Magnitude of the component, magnitude of the vector having component. How to find out? Root over sin square t
Plus cos square plus 1.
plus oh sorry, not sin square. This is equation number 1, isn't it? So it will be cos t whole square plus minus sin t whole square plus 1 square, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
So this is cos square t plus this is sin square t plus 1. So we know this is what? This is equal to
1, sir.
1. So it is 1 plus 1. That means this is equal to root over 2. Okay. So the magnitude of the derivative dr dt is root over 2. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now what will be the magnitude of this? D square r
ক্যামেরাটা একটু উপরের দিকে একটু
d square r dt square. The magnitude of, again, the magnitude, or again magnitude of d square r dt square. This is equal to root over minus sin t whole square plus minus cos t whole square. This is equal to sin square t plus cos square. So this is equal to what? 1. So we have got the magnitude of dr dt is equal to root over 2 and d square r dt square is equal to 1. Clear? Any doubt here?
Yes, sir.
So any problem if I do not give like the exact same problem, if we change the function, if we change the function r is equal to cos t cos square t I plus sin square t I plus t square k, can you find out this thing, the magnitude, the derivative and the derivative magnitude of the derivative? Can you find it like this? Yeah, have you understood the mechanism?
Yes, sir.
So in the exam you may get the problem not exactly this but the same pattern. Okay, so there is nothing to be afraid, there is nothing to be uh, do tension, okay, or
Yes,
be
sir.
anxious. So if you understand, you can solve all types of problem in the exam, isn't it? How much time is left? You have to remind me at 1:30, right? Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so let us solve another problem. This is number 3. Let's see what is that. A particle moves along a curve whose parametric equation are this. These are very important. A particle moves along a curve.
স্যার একটু দেখা যাচ্ছে না স্যার,
Huh?
একটু ক্যামেরাটা উপরে উঠাতে হবে স্যার।
Right. Now it is visible.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Along a curve whose parametric equation are x is equal to e to the power minus t, y is equal to 2 cos thrice t, then z is equal to twice sine thrice t, where t is the time.
Sir, e to the power it is -1, sir.
E to the power minus t. Okay, x is equal to e to the power minus t, y is equal to 2 cos thrice t, z is equal to 2 sine thrice t, where t is the time. So you have to find out what you have to find out. Number 1, you have to find out the determine its velocity and acceleration. Determine its velocity, that means determine the velocity of this particle. Determine its velocity and acceleration. At any time t. And find the magnitudes of the velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 0. Find the magnitude of the velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 0. These are the problem. Okay. We have got the parametric equation of the particle. X is equal to e to the power minus t, y is equal to twice cos thrice t, z is equal to twice sin thrice t, where the t is the time. You have to determine its velocity and acceleration at any time t. And you have to find out the magnitude of the velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 0. So how to solve? These are the things. First of all, we have to find out the position vector of the particle. Okay. Can I rub it, the question now?
Yes, sir.
Written?
Sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So the position vector of the particle, what will be the position vector? Solution. If the position vector is r, we know the position vector of the particle we know the position vector is denoted by r. R is equal to xi yj plus zk, isn't it? So what is the parametric equation? X is equal to e to the power minus
power
t.
minus-
Just replace this thing. Y is equal to twice cos thrice t plus z is equal to twice sin thrice t. Okay. So now you have to what? Then if r is this, then velocity is what?
dr by
Out-
dt.
dr dt, right? Very good. So you know that thing. Then the velocity is v is equal to
সেকেন্ড লাইনে লাস্ট একটা কে হবে মনে হয়।
yes, k, there will be k. Okay. Then the velocity is v, and this is equal to dr dt. So dr dt is what? Just differentiate e to the power minus t. Derivative of e to the power minus t is what?
মাইনাস টু দি পাওয়ার মাইনাস
Minus
e to the power
minus e to
minus
the
t.
power minus t I. And derivative of cos thrice t is what? Minus 3 cos minus 3 sin t. So another 2 is there, so it will be 6 sin thrice t j, and this will be plus 6 cos thrice t into k. Clear? Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what will be the acceleration?
So d square r by dt.
And the acceleration is a is dv dt is equal to d square r dt square, and this is, if you differentiate again, then what will happen? It will be plus, isn't it? Plus e to the power minus t I, and it will be what? Minus 18 cos thrice t j, and it will be what? Minus 18 sin thrice t k. Clear? So we have got the first question, answer of the first question, the find of the velocity and the acceleration. So the velocity and acceleration is this. And what was the second part? Second part was to find out the magnitude of the velocity and acceleration at t is equal to 0. Now find out the magnitude of this velocity. Magnitude, you know how to find out the magnitude, isn't it? The magnitude of the velocity is, therefore, the magnitude of the velocity is magnitude of the velocity at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0 will be what? Magnitude of dr
Recording in
root over
progress.
37. Now the magnitude of the acceleration you have to find out similar in the same manner. Find out the
মুছেন না
magnitude
স্যার,
of
মুছেন
the
না স্যার, স্যার মুছেন না
okay.
স্যার, আমরা তো ছিলাম না স্যার, মাত্র
দেখতে
জয়েন করলাম।
পারিনি।
Okay, okay. So the magnitude of the acceleration similarly you have to find out the magnitude of the acceleration and the magnitude of the acceleration.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার, 10টা মানে 1টা
হ্যাঁ।
31 বাজে।
Okay, so you find out the magnitude of the acceleration. It is your home task, right? I have done
Okay.
the magnitude of the velocity. Understood? So you
Yes,
find
sir.
out the magnitude of the acceleration. Okay, and the similar problem you solve in the book, and we will take another class in the next in the next class. We will also solve from this vector differentiation, right?
Yes, sir.
Now let me call your the presence. Okay, first of all, this section A. Section A. 4086. Then 4006.